Detailed installation guide for a 3,600 millimeters by 3,250 millimeters kitchen project. Overview and space analysis. Room dimensions: 3,600 millimeters length by 3,250 millimeters width equals 11.7 square meters, approximate, 126 square feet. This is a medium-sized, slightly rectangular kitchen space, ideal for an efficient work triangle and potential island/peninsula inclusion. Optimal layout. Given the dimensions, an L-shaped layout with a central island or a U-shaped layout would maximize storage and counter space. For this guide, we will detail a U-shaped layout with a peninsula, as it offers excellent workflow efficiency and modern appeal. Trendo's Architecture 72. Phase 1. Pre-installation planning and measurements. Key measurements and clearances. Total wall lengths: 3,600 millimeters, primary wall, and 3,250 millimeters, adjacent walls. Minimum clearance: a central floor space of at least 1,200 millimeters is maintained between opposing cabinets/peninsula to allow for comfortable appliance door opening and movement. Peninsula/island: a fixed peninsula of 1,800 millimeters length by 60. Peninsula/island: a fixed peninsula of 1,800 millimeters length by 600 millimeters depth is proposed, attached to one wall, leaving a 1,050 millimeters walkway on one side. Appliance rough-ins: precise locations for plumbing, sink, dishwasher, electrical outlets, 8 to 10 placements, gas line, if cooktop is gas, and range hood venting must be marked before any cabinet installation. Trendo's Architecture 72. Material and component list. Base cabinets: standard depth 580 millimeters to 600 millimeters, height 870 millimeters with adjustable legs and toe kick. Wall cabinets: standard depth 300 millimeters to 350 millimeters, height varies, 720 millimeters or 900 millimeters. Tall unit/pantry: a full height unit, 2,160 millimeters, for oven integration and storage. Countertop: quartz or laminate slab, thickness 20 millimeters to 30 millimeters with overhangs. Backsplash: height 450 millimeters to 600 millimeters from countertop. Appliances: cooktop, built-in oven, sink, faucet, dishwasher, refrigerator, range hood. Trendo's Architecture 72, Phase 2. Proposed U-shaped layout with peninsula. Here is a detailed breakdown of the proposed installation. Wall A. Trendo's Architecture 72. The peninsula. Key feature. Dimensions: 1,800 millimeters L by 600 millimeters D by 1,050 millimeters H, including countertop. Structure: composed of 2 to 3 base cabinets facing the main kitchen, creating storage accessible from the workside. Countertop overhang: on the living room side, a 300 millimeter overhang is provided to accommodate 2 to 3 bar stools for seating. Function: serves as a breakfast bar, additional prep area, and a visual divider in an open plan space. Trendo's Architecture 72, Phase 3. Step-by-step installation process. Step 1. Site preparation and marking. Ensure floor is level and walls are plumb. Correct any major discrepancies. Using a laser level, mark a horizontal line at 870 millimeters from the highest point of the floor around the entire room. This is the guideline for the top of the base cabinets. Mark a second line at 1,560 millimeters or 1,650 millimeters above the first line for the bottom of the wall cabinets. Trendo's Architecture 72. Step 2. Assemble and install carcasses. Assemble all cabinet boxes, carcasses, according to manufacturer instructions. Installation order. Start with the corner cabinet. Ensure it is perfectly level and plumb, then secure it to the wall studs. Install adjoining base cabinets, clamping them together, drilling pilot holes, and connecting with screws through the face frames or using connector bolts. Constantly check for level and alignment. Install the tall unit and the peninsula base cabinets, securing them to the floor and adjoining units. Trendo's Architecture 72. Step 3. Install countertop. A technician will take final templating measurements after base cabinets are installed. The slab, quartz, is cut, finished, and delivered. It is placed on the cabinets, ensuring even support. Secure the countertop from inside the cabinets using brackets. Apply silicone sealant along the back edge against the wall. Trendo's Architecture 72. Step 4. Install wall cabinets. It is easiest to build a temporary ledger board along the marked wall cabinet line to support the units during installation. Lift the first wall cabinet onto the ledger, level it, and secure it firmly into wall studs. Install adjacent cabinets, connecting them before final tightening. Trendo's Architecture 72. Step 5. Fit doors, drawers, and hardware. Attach all doors and drawer fronts using the provided hinges and runners. Ensure consistent gaps, approximately 2 to 3 millimeters between all doors and drawers. Adjust hinges as necessary. Install handles or knobs. Trendo's Architecture 72. Step 6. Appliance integration and finishing. Cooktop and oven. Slide into their pre-cut openings and secure as per manual. Sink and faucet. Drop the sink into the countertop cutout, seal with silicone, and connect plumbing. Dishwasher. Position next to the sink cabinet, level, and connect to water and drain lines. Range hood. Mount under the wall cabinet or to the ceiling. Connect to ducting and seal edges. Final touches. Install the backsplash, toe kicks, end panels, light pelmets, and any internal organizers. Trendo's Architecture 72.